Hello. In this video, we will see how to install HomeGuard Activity Monitor. Step 1. Choose any folder and click Next. Step 2. Type your admin password and confirm it. That's it. HomeGuard is now installed. We can test out the content filters right away. Let's just open any browser window and search for inappropriate words. HomeGuard shows a blank screen, no warnings, because it works in stealth mode by default. And it works when going to inappropriate websites directly as well. HomeGuard Content Filter also works with Google Image Search. And as an added layer of protection, HomeGuard enforces Google's safe search. No one can turn it off when HomeGuard is running. Now let's try disabling stealth mode in HomeGuard. Open HomeGuard's dashboard. Log in using your admin user and password. Then go to the Settings section and open the main settings page. The stealth mode toggle is on the top of the page. Now let's try after turning off stealth mode. As you can see, HomeGuard now shows warnings to users when blocking any website. Thanks for watching.